Okay, hello dear friends, let's do some math. 15 minus 39 plus 85 minus 61 plus 37 the second one 23 minus 87 minus 13 plus 29 plus 77. Okay, so 15 is smaller than 39. How can I do it? So just to remember one rule. In elementary school, in multiplication and division, you can switch the place as long as you are not yet doing the operation. You can combine all the positive together and combine all the negative together. So we can divide them. We divide the world into positive team and negative team. So the positive team will be 15, will be 85, will be 37. So I got these three covered. Positive team covered, and the leftover is negative team. Minus 39 minus 61. Can we do like this? Minus 36 minus 39 minus 61 minus 39 plus 61. Because these two, they are both negative. They are in the one team, right? So this, we can take a look. 15 plus 85, that is 100. So it becomes 100 plus 37 minus 100. So the final result is 37, right? Now this one, I do not even need to say it complicated. We can combine this positive or negative together. Positive team, 23, you are out. Positive team, 29, you are out. You are included, not you are out. And 77 included. Negative team, 87, 13, and we can make it a whole team together and let them combine together. Oh, 23 and 77, that is another 100. So 129 minus 100 equal 29. I make this with 1 point. I make this number. There is a number bound. It makes 100. But the core I want to tell you is that when the number is too big, especially the first number is smaller than the second number, you can see the whole picture. You can rearrange your team players into the positive team and negative team. Your home team against the away team from another team, right? So this is you can use sports analog. You can use sports. You can use anything to think about it. just make into different team. So this is in addition and subtraction. In multiplication and division, it is the same thing. You can combine into a multiplication team and dividing team. Here we go to the second one. Are we ready? So this one is you combine the like item. These are the positive. They are positive team, negative team. Now we do multiplication. 193 times 5 times 4 times 5. 398 times 2 times 5. 25 times 849 times 2 times 2. So here we are all the multiplication. So these 4 numbers here, they are in the same class. They are in the same class. They are all the class of a working class, or all the class of CEO, CFO, or all the class of boss. They are in the same class. They do not have any who is in front, who is in the back. So when we see it, 193 times 5, that's a big number. You may be able to do it. Good for you. But let's take a look. 25 times 4, that is 100, right? So we can first take care of this, becomes 100. And then times 193, 19300. Can you see it clearly? Maybe I change another pen, right? Okay, so this one, 398 times 2. Well, you can do it. It's 796, right? You can do it, but let's take a look of this. 2 times 5 is 10. So the result is 3980. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. 25 times 849. Ooh, that is quite a job. But 25 times 4 is 100. So 84900. They are in the same class. All multiplication. All of these are in the same class. There is no which one is first, which one is second. You can switch, manipulate a little bit, okay, to make your calculation easy. $39 times 5 divided by 13 times 2 divided by 10. How do we do this? When we see this kind of problem, the first thing, what I do, I put all the multiplication. the first one always on top. Times 5 is times, put on top. Divided by 13, put on the bottom. This is the divider. 13 is the divider. And times 2 is times 2. Times 2 is the uniter, or is the amplifier to two times. And divide, this is a divider. Divided by 10, it's on the bottom, right? So this way, 2 times 5 is 10. You are cancelled. Oh my goodness. Mathematics is a little bit political, right? There is a cancelling, there is a dividing. What a world we are living in, right? Both divided by 13. So the final result is 3. Now let's take a look at our second problem. Let me make another problem. So 4 times 9 divided by 24 times 4 divided by 3, by 3. I think that is enough. Okay. So again, team 4 always on top of the world, because they are the first one. It is the multiplication one. Okay, we are glorified by times 9 and divided by 24, glorified by 4 times 4, multiplied by 4, divided by 3. So 1, 3, right? 24 divided by 4 is 1 and 6. Can you see it? Yeah. And 6 and 3, 1 and 2. 2 and 4, 2. So the final result is 2. So make sure who is in which team. Isn't it fun? It takes some time to think about the numbers, but once you know the rule of math, it's easy.